Brieanna, please wash the dirty dishes in the sink before they start to smell. Do I have to? They're so gross, and I wanted to watch TV.
Brieanna, tidy your room right now.
I will do it later. Are you doing your homework?
Yes, Mom.
Most people think being kind or rude is just a simple daily choice. But today, a single honest mistake by one sister is going to completely change this family forever. Pay close attention to how both sisters react to the chaos, because at the moment of highest tension, we're dropping the sister versus sister challenge quiz to see if you can spot the hidden warning signs. Let's see if you can pass. The kitchen at the house was buzzing with activity, but Brieanna didn't care. She was firmly glued to the couch. Brieanna, can you help me bring the groceries inside? Her mother called out, balancing 3 heavy bags. No, Brieanna replied without looking up. Her mother sighed. Why not? Because I don't feel like it. From the hallway, her dad stepped in. Your mother needs help. Brieanna scoffed. Then you help her. Her younger brother Ben shook his head. That's rude. Nobody asked you, Brieanna snapped. Just then, Lucy ran into the room with a bright smile. Mum, can I help bring in the groceries? I'll take these bags. Of course. Thank you, Lucy, her mum smiled, wiping her brow. Lucy beamed, carrying the load into the kitchen. You're welcome. As the day went on, the contrast between the two sisters only grew worse. When the kitchen ran out of bread, Brieanna snapped that it was a you problem, while Lucy skipped out the door to go get it. Later, when the living room was buried under a giant mess of Brieanna's clothes, she claimed she was being framed and refused to clean. Once again, it was Lucy who stepped up to clean the entire room in secret, just to make her mother smile. Suddenly, the front door opened and Grandma walked in carrying a warm, sweet-smelling basket. I brought cookies, one for everyone. Great, Brieanna shouted, lunging forward and snatching a handful. Ben gasped, Hey, why did you take 4? Because I got here first. Life isn't fair, Brieanna said, stuffing a cookie into her mouth. Ben looked longingly at her. Can I have one of your cookies? No, and I'd like to keep having 4. Lucy walked over, holding her single cookie, and split it right down the middle. Ben, let's share. Ben's eyes lit up. Really? Thanks, Lucy. A bit later, Ben was struggling at the dining table with homework. Brieanna checked her nails and told him to figure it out, but Lucy immediately sat down right next to him with a pencil. Sure, let's work on it together.
Thanks, I get it now.
Later, Grandma handed out 2 small wrapped packages. Grandma looked at Brieanna. Did you like the gift I gave you? Brieanna tore off the paper and frowned. Is this all? I thought it would be bigger. Brieanna, her mother gasped, shocked. Fine, thanks, Brieanna mumbled. Meanwhile, Lucy opened her small box and hugged Grandma tightly. I love it. Thank you so much. Crash! A loud smashing sound echoed from the hallway. Everyone rushed in to find a broken lamp and a shattered flower vase on the floor. Who broke the lamp? Her mother asked, looking right at Brieanna. Not me, Brieanna said quickly. Ben stepped up. I saw you break it. No, you didn't. Her dad stepped in firmly. Brieanna, tell the truth. Brieanna stomped her foot. Okay, fine, I broke it. Then why did you lie? Her mum asked sadly. Because I didn't want to get in trouble, Brieanna yelled. Her dad shook his head. Brieanna, stop being so disrespectful. Brieanna crossed her arms. That's your opinion. Enough. Whatever, she muttered, turning away. Stop right there. Before we see the final consequence of Brieanna's actions, it is time for the Sister versus Sister Challenge quiz to see how much you remembered. Comment your answers below right now. Question 1. What did Brieanna say to her dad when he said her mother needed help with the groceries? She rudely said, "Then you help her." Question 2. Why did the family think Lucy was so thoughtful and helpful? Question 3. According to Lucy, what did she say was much easier than lying? As the tension hung in the air, the dad looked around the room. Does anybody notice how difficult Brieanna makes everything? Every day, Ben agreed loudly. Brieanna snapped around. "I'm sitting right here." Just then, Lucy looked down at the broken flower vase. "Mum, I accidentally bumped into the flower vase while trying to catch the falling lamp. I'm so sorry." Her mum touched Lucy's shoulder gently. "Thank you for being honest, Lucy. Accidents happen." Her dad smiled proudly. Lucy is generous, respectful, and honest. Those qualities make a wonderful daughter. Brieanna blinked, looking up from the couch in total shock. "Wait, are all those good things?" Ben grinned. "Yes." Brieanna's eyes went wide. "Uh-oh." And the whole family burst into loud, happy laughter. If you want to see how a single bad habit can completely destroy a person's life, click on this video right here, where we break down the hidden trap of laziness. See you there.